Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 443rd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with all of you another great dessert that I love since my childhood. My mother and grandmother used to make this for me all the time. We're going to make old-fashioned bread pudding. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, rich and decadent. And if y'all a fan of bread pudding, y'all gonna love this recipe. And everybody's gonna fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern recipes and desserts recipes playlist and my previous video, rice pudding. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your milk, your raisins, and your bread sugar, because we're about to bake some bread pudding magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the bread. For this recipe, I'm using hamburger buns. I'm using 8 buns, or you can use any kind of bread that you prefer. You can use a brioche bread or a French bread, whatever your heart desires. It's very important that you use dry day-old bread, so that way when we pour the custard in and when it bakes, it'll hold the shape. Otherwise, if you use fresh bread, it'll be mushy. So I already cut up 7 buns and I put it in my 9 by 13 inch long baking dish. So we're going to cut this hamburger bun. You're using a bread knife. And keep your fingers out the way. You want to cut it to about 8 inches. Alrighty, so now into our bread, we're going to pour over 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. And we're going to sprinkle a half a cup of raisins right on top. Or you can use dried cherries or cranberries, blueberries. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on that luscious custard. In my large bowl, I have 4 extra large eggs at room temperature. And into our eggs, we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and this is my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. We're going to give it a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Smells good. You can smell the pumpkin pie spice and the vanilla. Alright, my friends, our custard is done. Now we're ready to pour it on top of the bread. Like so. So now we're going to take a fork and just press and mash the bread so it can soak into the custard. Now we're ready to put this bread pudding in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 45 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned bread pudding. Doesn't it look delicious? And smells incredible up in this kitchen. I wish it would smell a vision. So now we're going to let the bread pudding cool for a few minutes, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some whipped cream on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. It's soft and chewy, and the bread is nice and crispy, and the raisins is juicy. This definitely brings back to my childhood. This bread pudding is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Bread pudding-licious. My friends, thank you so much for joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.